It is Friday morning, September 5th, a couple days after picking up the car from Clutch Doctors. I already spoke to Kevin about the squealing noise from the, I guess it's called the release pin or release bearing. So I want to start up the car so we can hear the noise that I'm talking about. And if I apply some pressure to the clutch, as I'm going to do right now, the noise goes away. I'm releasing the clutch, and there it is. Again, applying pressure to the clutch, very slight pressure, it goes away. So I drive around with this pressure on the clutch as I'm driving around. Okay, end of video.